So we continue with Kitzur Shulchan Aruch, and we on the big topic that we started like few classes ago, laws of Pesuke de Dzimrah. Okay, laws of Pesuke de Dzimrah, and we on Siman 14, and we started with halacha number 3. I didn't bring my siddur, but let's see what they're going to discuss. Okay, one must take care not to touch while reciting Pesuke de Dzimrah, and certainly from after Pesuke de Dzimrah until the end of Shmona Esrei prayer, places in a body that usually covered, or his head where it is usually covered. Likewise, it is forbidden to touch mucus in the nose or ear wax, except through the handkerchief. So let's read commentary and we explain. Some authorities do not require washing the hands if one touches these substances. See Mishnah Brura. Some authorities do not require washing of hands. Okay, we have to see which authorities. So let's see what it says here. So when you start praying, and you pray in Pesuke de Dzimrah, it's actually, that doesn't matter what you're praying. Even to learn Torah, you're not allowed to learn Torah until your hands were cleansed in some way, right? Or learn Torah or pray. So they say if you touch if you scratch yourself, you scalp actually under the kippah. So or you wear a hat. So that's the big issue, because it says when your head is usually covered. So okay, so that's the thing. So you cannot touch that, or you cannot touch all of this area that's usually closed. Meaning under you cannot scratch your neck because it's usually closed, or under the shirt. So all of this, or touch your shoes, or fix your socks if you're touching your legs. So all of these places considered to be usually covered, and you cannot touch them. Okay, so they say earwax, to your mucus. But today it's easy because we have all of this disposable napkins, this facial tissue. So the life is much easier, the way I see it, than in olden days. Okay. If one did touch any of these places with his hand, he should wash his hands with water. So we just had somebody ask me this question recently. If he's in the middle of Shmona Esrei, he cannot move from his place to seek water. He can suffice with cleaning his hands with pebbles, or with rub his hands on a wall or the like. Okay, so let's explain what is this with pebbles. So we discussed it in previous chapters of Kitzur. So they say you can wash with water or with any cleansing material. So cleansing material, sometimes when you have your hands dirty and you take a piece of rag or paper towel, so you can actually clean your hands, for example, right? So if you have some kind of grease and stuff like that, so it would work. So if you have, let's say in your pocket, so you're in the middle of Shmona Esrei, you have facial tissue, so you can wipe your hands. Of course, it's a spiritual wiping. It's not like they were dirty just because you scratch yourself under your shirt. It's not like literally dirty, but they say maybe some sweat adhere to your fingers, and that's what you're trying to remove, basically. Or they say pebbles. Pebbles meaning if you have a seat, right, where you sit, maybe you can wipe on the seat. I'm not sure what people would think of you, or on the wall. Also not recommended. But basically try not to touch. Okay, or have this facial tissue in your pocket all the time. Also like solution.